Again, we're still talking about process-aware information systems. Let's talk about the advantages of introducing a BPMS into an organization. Now, we've been talking about them a lot. What are the advantages? Okay, so first example is workload reduction. Our first advantage is workload reduction. How do you get workload reduction? You can get workload reduction because you can get straight through processing. Now, you take a large organization, a lot of people working for it, you get a document, a document might go from one person to another. A document might pass through 10 different people. And if you introduce a BPMS, you get a workload reduction through straight through processing of the document. You get less coordination. You don't have to have somebody directly involved in actually coordinating this now. So you don't have to have a supervisor saying, right, you've processed this part, you get up there, you do this, give it to me, I'll pass this on. The coordination can be handled by an automated BPMS system. So you can get less coordination. You get less gathering of relevant information. So if a piece of document arrives on your desk, and then you have to go and find the relevant information for you to make a decision on that document, this is all handled now automatically for you by introducing a BPMS. Because what the BPMS will do will pass the activity onto you through the workflow system. I call it workflow. Workflow is an older term, but it's still a good term to use. But not only that, it then gathers automatically the relevant information and also makes it available to you as well. So there's less of that. There may still be some of it, but there's less gathering of relevant information. You also get flexible system integration. So you get generic functionality of a process layer. You get easier to change process logic, and you get islands of automation. So all this gives you flexible system integration. Other advantages, you get execution transparency, okay? Transparency of operational information. You get transparency of historic information. So you get the management system looking at operational information, so it knows where each piece of work is. No longer, if you've got a manual system, no longer can a piece of work hide on somebody's desk. Somebody can't claim, I didn't get this form, I didn't get that, because the system has passed it on. The system knows who has got what. Okay, rule enforcement. Okay, so remember, a automated business process management system operates according to a strict rule. It operates according to the underlying business process model. So it reduces the freedom for executing process. So if a piece of work arrives in somebody's inbox, then the other person has to deal with it. No longer can they then bypass it and then find different ways around doing something. Okay, it enforces separation of duties. You have pools. You've got credit clerks. You've got credit officers. You've got clerks. So certain bits of work will only go to certain people. You get that enforced separation of duties, and you get to implement control tasks.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.